finally Flower can be back in her old territory. She is going to be so happy. She has healed up absolutely wonderfully. It's less than a week since surgery, and the only thing that remains of the incision site is a really thin red line. And it's just incredible how fast she has healed. It's just like amazing. So I'm really, really pleased. She's going to be a happy little fat mouse. Let's have a look. I'll get a close-up image of her incision. It's got to wait. She's going to be so happy to be back. I've set up the table to have a little bit less driftwood than I normally do, just enough to make them feel safe. So she won't be quite as much climbing to do. But I don't think it's our danger anymore. It's just healed up so well. So things are back to normal. She's slightly pink and bald, but hair's already growing in, and in no time be like she never had any surgery at all. So now the main danger is that it will grow back again, or she'll get another tumor. But at least we've bought her some time. And who knows, she could have quite a lot of time still. You never know with tumors. She may never get one again. You just don't know. But for now, she is happy. She's going to get to live a little longer. Life is going to be good again for a little Flower. She's such a happy girl to be back. Especially her castle. She just loves her castle. She's got to check out all her old haunts. To her it will seem like forever since she's last got to be on her own territory, not stuck in a little tiny itty bitty cage. Giving her a little bit of greens. I've also hidden mealworms and peanut butter all over the place. This is a wonderful form of enrichment to hide treats all over their cage. Mice have a very strong instinct to want to forage. It's one of their greatest joys in life. So I've hidden all sorts of things, and they know straight away when I am playing the food searching game, and they get really into it. Fats is looking too. You can smell that. I put peanut butter all over the place. Yeah. I'm just so happy. I don't think she's going to be still enough for me to show how good her incision looks, but it just looks super. I haven't given them a wheel. I don't want her to push things too much. I really got to get footage of Flower running on a wheel. It looks so funny. She's such a little chubby mouse. Oh, somebody is starting to popcorn a little bit. Where is that little mouse? Hello. Hi, Flower. Hi. Hello, Flower. Oh, we're happy to be back. Oh, she's so happy to be back. Yeah. Like the other two have been pretty good at finding the peanut butter. Oh, good. Oh, hi, Fatty. Hi. Hi. Yeah. Nice to have you back. It's really nice to have you back. Nice to have you back. Oh, yeah, that's where I put a bit of peanut butter, but somebody got there first. Did you find a wormy? Yeah, you found a wormy. Good, good, good. I think Fancy's gone into the log. They've hollowed this log out, and she's gone in there. Blossom is going in. Hi, Nori. You're still looking for peanut butter? I should actually put some more peanut butter out. You guys got through it way too quickly. Yeah, I know. That's why somebody got there first. Oh, yes, feeding station. But you've got to find there's more peanut butter to be found. You have to use your nose. Yeah, you found some. Clever girl. Clever girl. She found some peanut butter. It healed up amazingly well. I never thought it would go this well. I don't. It was the best thing I could have done was to give her surgery. So now we'll see how much time I have bought her. Oh, she found some more. Clever girl, you found some more. Yes. You gotta find it. Yeah. You gotta find it. It is there. Oh, there's a wormy. Oh, she found some more peanut butter, did she? Yeah, there is more. You just gotta go find it. I see a little bit of peanut butter right there. Funny little thing, she waddles. She always waddles. She waddles. Ah, she's gotta check out this nest. We'll have to check and see, make sure that everything's the way it's supposed to be. Yeah. Oh, look at our fatty. Look at our fatty. Hello. Yeah, there's still peanut butter. You can still find some. Hasn't all been eaten. No, hasn't all been eaten. Oh, you found some? You found some. It's amazing. The surgery was virtually no stress for her at all. 5 days. And it's all over and back to normal. I would never have thought it would be this easy. Good experience, I'm sure. Glad I did it, because now if I have a mouse that I really care about with a tumor again, I will know better what to do and have an easier time making a decision. I have a feeling Blossom's really happy to have her mum back. Look at her. Oh, I've never seen Blossom popcorn so much. Whoa. Wee, little puppy. Got your mum back. Yes, you do. You got your mum back. Yeah. Who's up here? There's somebody up here. Oh, Nora, that's where you are. I thought you were making a nest. Nope. Nora's back in her. Cleaned up the castle really nicely, and it's got all fresh carpeting, nice and soft and comfy. And since Flower loves the castle, she has to go check it all out. There she goes. Got to check the castle out. Missed it? Yeah, you missed your castle. You love your castle. Oh, look at that little kitty. Oh, hello. Oh, I'm so pleased things worked out so well. Yeah, very happy. Oh, back in your beloved castle. Happy girl. Back in your beloved castle. Happy, 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 happy girl. Oh, happy, happy, happy girl. Hi, little Blossom. Hello, Blossom. Hello, Blossom. Hi, happy to have your mum back. Yeah, you got your mum back. You've got your mum back. Yes, you got your mum back. Yeah, you do. Got your mum back. Got your mum back. Oh, becoming a bit of an old girl, hey? You're just a little bit older now. Hey, Nori? It's been a good life, though. Yes, and you're still doing pretty good. Just slowing down a little bit. Yeah. Just slowing down a little bit. Okay, guys. I got to drag myself away. Night-night. Have fun, Flower, now that you're free again. Nori, enjoy your little friend. Nice having your friend back, hey? You're going to be able to sleep in a big mousy heap again with everybody together. Ew. Blossom found a yummy worm. Somebody's just gone in there. Hey, Nori? Yeah, you found a bit of peanut butter, didn't you? Yes. There you go. Yeah, you got to stop making things cozy in there. Flower just went in there. He's going to make things cozy. Night, guys. We'll see you tomorrow morning. Have fun. Everybody's together. So, have fun. My wonderful little mousies. My wonderful, wonderful little mousies.